In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and download a video in InVideo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, pick or generate your content, set your download preferences, and get your file onto your device without any confusion. First, open your browser and head to InVideo.io. Click Login and choose the sign-in option you normally use. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base, where you can either start something new or revisit work you've already created. If you want to create a new video, use the prompt field on the dashboard. Type your idea clearly, what the video is about, style, and any key points, and let InVideo generate it for you. Give it a moment to process. If you've already made a video and want to download that, go to your history. You'll see a list of your previous projects, and you can select the one you'd like to export. Under the video you've chosen, look for the Edit and Download option. Click it to open the project. When the editor loads, click Download again. This takes you to the download settings, where you can customize how your final file will look and whether it includes any marks or branding. Here you'll choose your watermark settings, AI branding, and the download resolution. Watermarks are visual marks placed on the video. If you're delivering a clean final version, make sure you pick the option that removes or minimizes them, keeping in mind that availability may depend on your plan. AI branding is a small identifier indicating the video was assisted by AI. Turn it on or off based on your needs and guidelines. For resolution, select what fits your use case. Higher resolutions like 1080p look sharper but create larger files and may take longer to render, while lower resolutions export faster and are lighter to share. Once your settings look right, click Continue. You'll see a loading or rendering screen appear. This is InVideo preparing your file. Don't close the tab while it processes. When rendering finishes, the download will start automatically. If your browser asks for permission, confirm it. You can check your downloads bar or your default downloads folder to find the file. That's it. You've logged in, selected or generated your video, set your watermark, branding, and resolution preferences, and downloaded the finished file. If something seems off in the final result, you can return to the editor, make adjustments, and repeat the download steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating with InVideo.